You done? You done? No? Oh, okay. Let's do this. I don't know why I'm so nervous. Like, okay. Hey Health Nuts, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video. This is something I have been waiting to announce for quite a while now. I don't think I've ever held out on such a big secret for so long in my life, and this one is so special and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Finally, I feel like some of you may have guessed it already, but if not, I'm gonna tell you guys today anyways. So, drum roll, I wrote my first cookbook. And I'm like actually freaking out. I can't believe I just said those words. I wrote a cookbook. It is so surreal. I'm finally telling you guys this news that I've been just keeping secret to myself and close friends and family, and it's just been the most crazy project that we've been working on as a team, and it's finally here, available to share with you guys. So do you guys want to see the covers? I have them here, and I say covers because I have two. So it's one book, two covers, because two is better than one, duh. The official name is the HealthNut Cookbook, and it is energize your day with over 100 easy, healthy, and delicious meals. So exciting. Aren't they beautiful? I'm in love with these, and I've just been staring at them nonstop. So these are actually not the real books. These are just, they're called like dummy books or just fake books to show you guys the covers. But these are the official covers that's gonna be on the book. And I have two because I got to work with two amazing book publishers, Penguin Random House from Canada and DeCapo Press from the US. And I'm just so excited. They just go so well together. I'm actually, funny enough, I'm sitting on the counter, you know, just chilling like I do, eating this delicious, I'm not gonna say the name of it yet, but delicious salad. And then here is actually a photo of the salad that I'm eating. So it kind of goes like hand in hand together. And they're just so beautiful. I'm so excited to finally be sharing this news with you guys, sharing the official cover and the name and title of this cookbook. Like, this is just my babies. My first baby. Sorry, Cashew. But I'm so excited for you guys to get your hands on them. They are available for pre-order right now. They are available on like all major online retailers that you can buy books. Indigo, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Target guys, Walmart. I'm just in shock. This is insane. And I honestly thought maybe the news was gonna kind of spill out somewhere on the internet because someone may have seen it. It's been available for pre-order for a couple weeks now while we've just been kind of getting everything together to officially share the news with you guys. And I'm so excited, and it's gonna be available physically in bookstores this September 3rd, 2019. And September's a good month, guys. But Matt and I have our birthdays. It's a new season, like new start to the year, like back to school, back to routine. And it's just like my favorite time of the year. I love fall. So like who doesn't love September? And now it's even more special because I have my book anniversary publication date. It's arriving in stores. So if you guys want to get your hands on the book, I'm going to have links down below in the info box. If you guys can head over to the landing pages that we created. There's one for the US and one for Canada, depending on where you're buying from. And if you're just coming from around the world, you can pick which one that you want to go to. But there's more information there, more sneak peeks of some of the beautiful photography from my amazing friend Kyla, who did such an amazing job. She's so talented and she truly brought the recipes to life. So if you are wondering what's inside this amazing cookbook, it has over 100 super delicious recipes that have never been seen before. It also has a few of the HealthNut fan favorite staple recipes that I know you guys are gonna love and you're gonna expect to be in this book. So you can have it as a staple and resource in your own kitchen. There is a full meal prep 101 guide. There is a 4-week meal plan. There's tons of substitutions, whether you're vegan, gluten-free, paleo, I got you. I got all of you guys. This book is for everyone, and that is why I created it. And it truly does have the best recipes I have ever created. It's been so hard to hold out on you guys and not share them. I'm just like, but you haven't tried this yet and you don't even know about this recipe. And I've just been like secretly making them and eating them and just, yeah, I don't know, like wanting to share them with you guys so bad. So it's just around the corner. It's like only a few months away. Other exciting things is, in case you're like, okay, you wrote the cookbook, it's done. What happened behind the scenes? Don't worry. I vlogged it. You guys know we vlog like our whole life. I vlogged a bunch of behind the scenes of the cookbook being created. So things like the photo shoots, which were so much fun. I just wish I could relive them. We were shooting the cookbook this time last year, which is kind of crazy to think about it. And I just chopped my hair off. So I kind of look like the same that I did last year when we were shooting this. And it was just such a crazy time to think that we were just doing this behind the scenes while pumping out YouTube videos. But we basically shot a bunch of behind the scenes stuff that we're gonna be putting out on the vlog channel or on the weekly vlogs on the last Friday of every single month. So you guys can stay tuned for that. Basically, it's like cookbook diaries that are gonna be launching on the channel. So you guys can just feel more a part of the process, because the reason why this book is even here and exists is because of you guys. So I really wanted to bring you guys along the journey and make you feel as much a part of the book as possible, because you guys helped make this happen. Without you guys, this book would not be here. So I'm so grateful. Matt is so grateful. Cashew is so grateful. And we're just so excited. We have so many fun things happening this year to celebrate the news of the HealthNut cookbook. And if you're wondering what's happening with like a book tour, how do I meet you? How do I get my book signed by you? We are gonna be announcing all of that information from now up until the release of the book. So make sure you're following on social media, on the channel, of course, on the email list, because you guys will be the first to know when the dates are being set for any events that are gonna be happening. I've already gotten so many messages about this summer's HealthNut annual meetup. Yes, we are doing one. If you didn't know, we do like an annual HealthNut meetup every year, and this will be the third one. We're so excited because this year we're gonna have an extra special thing to celebrate, which is the HealthNut cookbook, of course. So all the details about that are gonna be coming soon. We're just like working out logistics, planning it out to make sure it's super awesome for you guys. So a few of you guys have already messaged me about like you guys are coordinating your travel plans to try to be here for this summer's meetup. So once I have like a date booked, I will let you guys know so you guys can book that in your calendar and hopefully make it out to celebrate. But there's gonna be other things as well, and we're definitely gonna be traveling to see as many of you guys in person as possible. This is basically just a way to do as many meetups as possible. So excited. Can't wait to meet you guys. Can't wait for you guys to get the HealthNut cookbook in your hands this year. And I just want to say one last time of how truly grateful both Matt and I are with the HealthNut community. Like, none of this would be here today. This cookbook would not be here today. This is truly an example of what happens when such a supportive and loving and positive community like the HealthNut family, when they come together, this is what happens. This is for you guys. I feel like this is like my award. This is for you guys. I want to thank my mom, my dad, but it would not be here without you guys. Literally, I had reached out to a few lovely ladies, some of my top, most engaged HealthNut viewers here online, to help recipe test some of the cookbooks, some of the recipes in this cookbook, and you guys made sure it was perfect for the HealthNut community to make these recipes at home in their own kitchen, in different ovens, in different environments, and with all the different substitutions that are available in this book. And I'm just so grateful and honored, and this is a dream come true, and thank you so much. So yeah, I don't even know what to say. I'm just so grateful. And oh, I know what I want to ask. I want to know, question of the day. Let me know, comment down below what recipe you guys think is in this book. I would love to know. Comment down below, and yeah, I'm curious to see if you guys know what I put in here. You'll get some sneak peeks from the landing page, but leave me your guesses down below. And as always, be sure to subscribe. No, actually, pre-order the book, guys. Links down below. Let me know what you are most excited about to see in this book. And I'm just so excited. Like, yeah, I'm rambling on, but this is just truly a dream come true. So thank you so much from the bottom of my HealthNut avocado heart. So, mwah, love you guys so much. And I can't wait to keep continuing to share the journey of this book until the launch date, until after the launch date too, because there's lots of exciting things happening this year. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video, and use the hashtag HealthNut Cookbook. If you pre-order, I'd love to see your screenshots. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.